I'ma give it all I got, all I got. Like 23, I stay on top, stay on top. I do it like it's my last shot.
I got new blinkers. Let's see. They're the fork wraparound ones, so they're real small and discreet, not as big as bulky. You can see that. They just pop around the fork, and you just gotta wire them in. We'll see how that goes. Got this visor for the speedometer. I also got a black ring that goes around. If anyone that has any of these bolts knows that you can't see the speedometer pretty much, so this helps. So I got the blackout ring and then this visor. I had both these on my first bolt and I really liked it. I haven't decided if I'm gonna actually put this visor on yet. So right now I'm just gonna throw this on, just a little adhesive. So these literally just snap around. You can see how they're open, they flex a little bit, and they give you plenty of wire. And I actually cut the quick connect off the original blinker and actually wired it into the wraparounds, the LEDs. They're actually not LED, they're like an amber, sorry. But the original blinkers have 3 wires, the black, which is the ground, the green, which is the blinker, and then I guess blue is running light. These only come with black and red, so black to black, and then red to green. And then I just put them all into the shrink wrap and heated that up and did that. So once it's all back together, I'll clean this up. But yeah, I think they came out sweet because you can barely tell that they're on there, which might sound sketchy, but I'll turn it on and show you what it looks like. I gotta actually hold this wire harness because it's all just laying there. But it's pretty bright actually. I don't know, I think it's sweet. If you actually have any questions on how I did it, I might be doing the rear. We'll see, so just leave a comment. I'm gonna put the bezel on that and the speedometer. Because the glare just comes right off of this. Okay, I don't know why I didn't even think about this, but I actually have to take this chrome bezel off to put this on. It's kind of dumb on my part, so I'll do that. So I popped this chrome bezel off with this tire. This is like bicycle tire. It's plastic, and I just kind of went around like that and pried it off a little bit so there's no damage on that. And now I would just use the alcohol again, clean that up. Once that's all clean, you see the red adhesive, just peel that off, stick it on, and that should be it. So I'll do that real quick. Alright, so it was a little tedious to get those little orange things off, but they're off. Alright, so it was a little tedious to get those little orange things off, but they're off. Then I'll just apply some even pressure to that all around. And that should really be it. Now, like I said, I don't know if I actually feel like putting on the visor. I'll show you it again real quick. I had it on the other bike. I could probably find a picture and put it in here, but I don't know if I want it on there. Let me know what you guys think. I think it looks kind of good like that. I know this would help with the sun and seeing speedometer, if I'm in neutral or not, and all that, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you.
I'ma give it all I got, like 20